Real Estate, giving you a market update for mid-September. So we're starting off with an article. Yesterday, the inflation print came above expectations at 8.3% for the previous month. Investors are speculating and the market is pricing a 34% chance that there's going to be a 100 basis point rate hike for the Fed funds rate next week. And of course, the more likely is going to be a 75 basis point hike. Next, it's going to be the current rates, and we're seeing rates go up. Freddie Mac updates this every Thursday, and currently it is at 5.89 for the 30-year conforming. The jumbo rate tends to be a little bit lower. If we go over to Wells Fargo right now, their 30-year fixed rate jumbo is at 5.125 with an APR that's a little bit higher. Now let's look at list of sales prices and our typical charts that we review. For San Mateo County, list of sales price right now is close to 100%. Days on market has spiked from 32 days for the month of September so far, halfway through. Prior month, 25, prior to that, 21 and 15 back in June. Closings are very slow. Last month we ended with 474 closings, and halfway through this month we are only at 154. So we're not going to be having the same amount of closings as the prior month. The good thing is inventory hasn't increased so much and at all ever since the big spike from May to June. Prices surprisingly have been closing higher in September compared to August, and that's actually consistent across all counties. It's a subtle increase across all of the counties that we're going to be reviewing today. Now, if you look at days on market and list of sales price for San Francisco, it's performing a little bit better as it has been the last couple of months. List of sales closed a little bit higher, close to 105% in San Francisco for all properties. Days on market is at 33 days, which is in line with the last couple of months, which has been over 30 days. In terms of inventory is higher, and it's about at 15% more compared to the prior month, and closings are less than half so far, even though we're halfway through the month of September. Prices are up a little bit as well in San Francisco. Now, list of sales price in Santa Clara County is similar to San Mateo, which is at about 100%. Days on market is right under 30 days, but it's trending to be taking longer for days on market. In terms of inventory, we see a decreasing trend of inventory in Santa Clara County, and same thing with the amount of closings. Halfway through the month, we have less than half of what it was the prior month. Now let's take a look at prices in Santa Clara County. Prices are up a tad bit. And now let's move over to Alameda, Contra, Costa. List of sales price is right above 102%. Days on market is right under 30 days, and similar trend line of increasing days on market. In terms of inventory, we haven't seen too much of an increase the last couple of months, and total sales is trending very similar, which is less than half of what it was in the prior month. Prices, once again, in Alameda, Contra Costa County are up a tad bit for the month of September. We'll see what it ends up being. Next week at this time, the Federal Reserve is going to be meeting and increasing rates. We're going to have another update. We're going to see how the markets are going to react and how prices in real estate are going to react once again. For those of you that followed the stock market, yesterday was the fourth, I believe, largest dip in a one-day ever since they tracked the stock market trends. So yesterday was a pretty significant day, but hopefully you found this short update helpful. If you have any questions about a specific city, or if you want a deep dive or have questions for anything market related or real estate related, we're here to help you. Thank you.